Is your commercial coffee machine not delivering the perfect cup every time? Welcome to PartsFe. In busy commercial kitchens, this powerful machine works hard all day, and without proper maintenance, small issues can quickly turn into costly breakdowns, inconsistent coffee, and frustrated customers. The good news is that with the right routine, you can keep your machine running smoothly and producing high-quality coffee every single shift. First, avoid the most common mistakes that shorten a machine's lifespan. One of the biggest is neglecting to clean the milk system and brew unit. Coffee oils and milk residue can easily clog sensors and internal components, affecting both flavor and performance. Water quality also plays a major role. Using untreated or hard water leads to scale buildup inside boilers and pipes, so always use filtered or softened water and replace filters on schedule. Another overlooked factor is outdated software. Regular firmware updates help maintain efficient brewing and prevent system errors. It's also important to follow proper grinding and brewing settings, because overly fine grinds or incorrect temperatures can strain the brew unit. And while it may be tempting to fix problems yourself, attempting DIY repairs on pumps, boilers, or electronics can cause serious damage and even void warranties. Professional technicians are always the safer choice. You should also watch for subtle warning signs that indicate it's time to call a professional, such as irregular coffee flow, slow heating times, inconsistent milk frothing pressure, unusual grinder vibrations, or interruptions during automatic cleaning cycles. These small signals often point to hidden issues like blockages, sensor misalignment, or early component wear. Ultimately, maintaining a commercial coffee machine isn't just about occasional cleaning, it's about building a long-term care routine. With daily cleaning, proper water filtration, regular inspections, lubrication of moving parts, and professional servicing, your machine can stay efficient, reliable, and ready to deliver perfect coffee for years to come. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts, visit PartsFe in the USA, UK, and Canada. And be sure to check out our blog in the description. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching.